Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sakshi Sunil Sutar, and my ISC1 topic is merge sort algorithm. So, I am going to explain what is merge sort algorithm and on which basis this algorithm is based, and recurrence relation for merge sort algorithm, time complexity of merge sort algorithm, its algorithm and example. So, first of all, we will see what is merge sort. The name itself says we have to sort and merge the input. So, what is merge sort? What is merge sort? Merge sort is a one of the example of divide and conquer. In merge sort, we need to sort our input in an order. It is based on divide and conquer procedure, and it is a recursive algorithm. So, what is divide and conquer? Divide and conquer strategy says if the problem is large, then break the problem into sub problems, and if problem becomes small, then solve it, and after that combine the solution of sub problems to get the solution of our original problem. So, here general idea is to find middle element, that is we have to split the array into two sets, and uh, we have to repeatedly do this until we get the smallest instance of our problem, and after we get the smallest instance, then we are going to sort and combine the solutions of sub problems and we are giving it to the upper sub problems to do again the same process, and finally we are going to find the original solution. So we will get output after uh, combining all the sub problems. So here is the algorithm for a merge sort. uh, so uh, in merge sort algorithm, here we can see uh, we are finding middle element from by low plus high by 2. Then first we call the merge sort function from low to mid, that is first half part we have called. Then we are again calling itself, that is we are recursively calling itself by from mid plus 1 to high, after recursively calling until we get the smallest instance. After getting the smallest instance, we are sorting it, we are merging it, that is we are going to combine from low, mid and high. So here is the algorithm for combining elements. We are taking another array, that is auxiliary array. So we have taken a pointer as a k for the auxiliary array and assign it to low, that is index 0, and from our original array we have divided the sub problems. So we are indexing first sub problem, we are pointing it by I, and another sub problems we are pointing it by j. So here we have written the logic for the combination for the array. So we will see the example. So in this example I have taken the array of 6 elements which is indexing from 0 to 5. The array element contains 2, 6, 11, 4, 5, 7. So it is unsorted array, and we are going to sort it by using merge sort algorithm. So here our low is 0, we are taking index for a low and high values. So here our low is 0 and high is 5. So the middle element is 0 plus 5 upon 2, that is we are getting answer as 2. So our mid is index 2. So we will divide our original array and first left sub array as from 0 to 2, and right sub array as mid plus 1, that is index 3 to 5, that is high. And after sorting we are putting it into sorted output array, that is we can say auxiliary array. I have mentioned it as a B. So I have divided into left sub array and right sub array, and I is pointing to first element of left sub array and J is pointing to mid plus 1, that is first element of right sub array. We are going to continuously divide the array until we get smallest instance. In the merge sort algorithm, our smallest instance is up to until we get the one element in an array. After getting one element in array, our division is done. So we are going to sort, and we are giving the solution for last sub array to the we are giving the solution to upper sub array, and continuously we are sorting and giving our solution to upper sub array. And after continuously doing this, we get our output array which is sorted. So here we get the output as 2 4 5 6 7 11, and our input is 2 6 11 4 5 7, that is we have that is we find the sorted output array. So this is a uh, implementation of merge sort. So what is a recurrence relation for merge sort algorithm? So merge sort algorithm, mm, let's say merge sort from low to high takes time n, that is total time required for merge sort is n. After dividing it into two halves, we we are calling merge sort low to mid, that is we are dividing into half, so it will take the time half. So we have given it t of n by 2. Then after that we are again calling it from mid plus 1 to high, so it will also take time n by 2. After division is done, we are going to combine it from low, mid and high, that is we are going to combine whole array, so it will take time n. uh, from this we can conclude that the merge sort algorithm will take time, that is recurrence relation for the merge sort algorithm t of n is 2 t of n by 2 plus big O of n. So we have seen the recurrence relation for merge sort algorithm. So now what is the time complexity for merge sort algorithm? Time complexity for merge sort algorithm, we are finding it by Master's theorem. Uh, by Master's theorem, uh, we get the value of a is equals to 2, b is equals to 2 and d is equals to 1 from the recurrence relation 2t n by 2 plus big O of n. This is for the elements of array more than one elements. uh, for input array is equals to 1, the that is array containing only one element, we can say it as the array is already sorted. So by applying Master's theorem for 2t n by 2 plus big O of n for n greater than 1, we get the formula a is equals to b raised to d is satisfying. So according to that we get the time complexity as big O of n log n. So the time complexity for merge sort algorithm is big O of n log n for the all three cases, that is best case, average case and worst case. And space complexity for uh, merge sort algorithm is big O of n. So where the merge sort algorithm is used, that is what are the application of merge sort algorithm. It is useful for the sorting linked list and external sorting. uh, it has also some drawbacks, that is it requires additional memory space for temporary array, that is we have taken auxiliary array in our algorithm. uh, and it also goes through whole process even if array is sorted. That is, if we have taken input as a sorted list, it s- s- still it still it tries to sort the elements. This is also the drawback for merge sort algorithm. So that's all from my side. Thank you, ma'am.